click a little.
Yep, powering on. Hey YouTube, this is going to be our official first long form video, and it is of the Tormach 440 first cuts. We're going through the book. We are new to machining, 100% new.
Super new.
So it's
We put it together though.
Yeah, look, Lonnie put it together. I helped some.
You did. You helped plenty.
I had an idea or two. And we're booting up, and we're going to get our wood in there. And let's see.
We're going to run the intro to Path Pilot.
Yep, we're going right out of the book.
It says it assumes you have no prior experience running a program on a CNC
You guys
machine.
want to see any of this? I don't know if you want to read that. You can pause it maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. It assumes you have no prior experience.
That's
so
true,
we're
we
going to
don't.
run it. We don't. So we're going to put that to the test.
All right.
So it says reference the mill, which is earlier. So we will go do that.
Let's do some mill referencing. How do we do that?
That's right. And here, this.
There we go.
So we'll start here. Oh, are you gonna record the whole thing? Are you gonna eat up all your battery?
Yeah, I got
I mean, okay. Just disable. Okay.
Okay. Oh, it made a noise. What's happening?
I turned on the e-stop so it would, and then we can hit the reset button.
Reset. Maybe I should move around to the machine. Could be getting exciting over in this area.
Okay.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Reset. Okay.
All right. So what's next? Let's do that.
Well, that's what it's telling me to do.
There was
Click the status tab. Okay, got the status tab.
status tab.
Manually depress X, Y, and Z limit switches by hand.
All right, we got that.
So, we tested the axes, the controls are working.
Look at it move.
Got this. So the next thing we're going to do is test our spindle to make sure it spins.
Let's spin it.
All right. Oh,
Enter.
okay.
There we go. Watch her go.
It's at 3,000.
3,000 RPMs. That's nothing. Mom. It works.
That
We
works.
built a CNC machine.
Oh, that's crazy. This is so good.
It was crazy and it's awesome.
All right.
Now, what's next?
Control custom. We gotta like enter the date and time on the computer.
We got to do date and time stuff. We won't bore you with that, but we'll be back with the wood part.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. Oops.
So you get your ER20 tool, your collet, and these are like machined like butter. You put your collet in here, this way down, because you're gonna grab your tool, but you'll hear it. Ready?
Nice.
And that's it. And you start screwing this on, and you get your tool and you put it in there.
Get our tools.
A little 1/8" ball end mill.
Our first tool. Probably a flat end mill. Is it ball? I don't know.
Boom. And then I'll tighten it with the tools.
All right.
There we go.
We got that.
So we got our 2 tools for our first job.
It didn't take us long to figure that out.
Not too long.
All right, we're getting closer to the wood cutting. We're gonna see what's next and then show you what's next.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Thought I'd throw this in here for you guys. This is the thing that we're gonna use to measure the tools and the offsets of the tools.
Yep.
And we didn't know about this because like we're new. So we're learning how to use this thing.
Yep. Got the instructions.
Yep.
So
So
figure it out.
we're gonna get that figured out and then we'll be back to the machine.
Yeah.
here we go. We're filming again. We know we got to measure our tools. You got to tell the machine the heights of your tools, your zero tools.
Zeroed it.
I'm going to come around a little. You can see on the screen too that it's got set up, ready to put in your tool sizes and your tool numbers. We're doing tool number 1 for our tool. And then, I'll zoom in on there. You can see we're doing our heights. And then we have the USB cable. So once we get it, we can just click it in.
This is what tool is this? 3/8 inch.
Click the button. Click the button.
And nothing
There's the
happened.
button. Nothing happened. Because we don't know what we're doing. But we're learning. You erased it.
Oh shit, it did.
We're gonna start. We'll try again. All right, as you can see, we've got our 2 tools in the software. We did it with this. There's our smaller tool. We measured it up. And now we're on it. What's next?
We gotta put
The stock in. The stock
and then
in.
we gotta kiss our work surface.
You pervert. All right, we're putting in our wood. The end goal isn't to cut wood, but they say to cut wood first. And
That
since
way you
we've-
don't break tools, hopefully.
Yeah, since we've never cut anything but gas. I don't think that's how you say it. What do they cut when you're cutting gas?
Farting?
Yeah, that's all.
Passing gas? That's passing gas.
They're cutting the cheese.
Cutting the cheese.
There it is. That's all we've cut. I do slice a nice mozzarella.
For our pizzas.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna cut wood as soon as he gets this piece
Jeez.
in there.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, we gotta make something and make it flat.
We gotta level everything.
Oh, I could just put a little.
Put that sexy level that we got from Haas on there. There
From Haas.
it is. We did buy a nice Haas level. We just don't know how to use it. So
Yeah. This is why they use their hammer, I guess.
yeah, hammer it in.
Look at this. Oh. Nope.
Tapping it out. Yeah.
Tighten her down.
Holy moly. It's getting so close.
It doesn't move.
Nice.
Okay. I'm nervous as all get out.
Who's nervous?
Me. It's gonna go great.
Now what? We gotta put the tools in?
Yeah. Well, no, we gotta run that program over there and tell it what to do.
We gotta go over here and do some programming.
Don't film all that. I don't know what I'm doing.
Filming everything. You know what you're doing. You're doing so good. All right, so we're gonna deep dive into this software and we'll be back.
Circles.
If you ever guys want deep dives into this stuff from amateurs, let us know. Sometimes amateurs will tell you stuff that the pros don't know because they forgot. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to reference our parts. Click that.
Tools and smooth tool type
And then
0.
what should happen
Hypnosis.
is we're gonna bring the head of this tool down, and it'll use a piece of paper, and when it cinches the paper, we'll be good. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you're still watching the video at this point. We love you guys. Promise to make better content in the future. Well, we don't know what we're doing. Wait till we know what we're doing. Then you hit the 0 button. All right.
Bring this over here.
You probably could have reached through the side. It's no big deal. You're good. All right.
Z.
We're bringing the Z down to grab the paper. Oh, we're on the paper.
Oh, yeah.
Paper is snagged. Hit 0.
No, here it is. Now it's 0.
0.
Z. 0.
Boom.
Did it. Maybe that's not.
Next, we put the tools in.
Wait.
Yeah, I love this part.
Okay.
And the tools in. So cool.
Yeah.
We are so close. Getting our actions. We got
Hey.
boom, boom, boom. Just working with the software still. The book, I don't know. It's a little sus.
It is.
So we had to watch some YouTube. We've watched a couple hours of CNC YouTube. A couple thousand. We think we may be about to make a pocket hole. So let's find out. All right,
gonna
guys.
start it, huh?
We think we got it.
Oh, I'm so nervous, man.
So nervous. All right, here we go.
Here we go, folks.
Start cycle button.
All right, here we go. Oh,
Things are happening.
it's going up.
It's going away from the tool. Maybe that's how it starts.
Maybe it wants me to put the tool in.
It is in. There it comes.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. That's how she starts.
Oh, look at this. Stuff's running over here.
All right? The screen is showing the
I'm
G code.
so nervous.
But we want to see the wood get cut. Probably should have opened the screen. We made a dip. All right. Is that all we told it to do? Is that all we managed?
No, I think it's going to go up and come back down and do the other part.
All right.
Again, it's weird.
Showing up. Oh, here it comes. That was like a little pilot start or something.
Yeah.
Probably not optimal for like if you were running a shop.
No, that's a lot of extra.
Mwah. You want to touch it? Oh man, that was cool. Let's go do that again. All right, guys, we think we got it this time.
Right. Here we go.
We got the doors open.
Click start.
Start.
Cycle.
Boom. Doors got safety goggles on. That's why the doors are open, and I want to give you guys a better shot because we got it this time. Third time's the charm. That is crazy. Yeah.
Listen at it.
Yeah, sounds cool.
Whoa.
Our first cut.
Look at this code running over here.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Look at the code.
Showing us.
What's happening.
Yeah, I'll show you guys too. We'll just pop over there. It's running, you can see it.
Back over here.
He's doing the run. And then we'll come back. There's Lonnie's excited face. Oh yeah, blow on it. Yeah, good call. We have an air horn for that. Alright guys, let's do it. Blow on it.
First real cut. Woo! 3.5 minutes or so.
Yeah, so cool. Now to the next step.
Cool.
All right, we think we've got it. We're getting it down. We got it ready to set up the next thing quick. So let's watch it go. Oh yeah, we can break this bit. That'll make a good YouTube video. It's cutting.
Look at that. Yep.
Oh yeah, because it'll show on screen.
That's supposed to film that you're filming. Yeah.
You should make it short, so you, like 16 seconds, so you can
All
send
right.
it to
It's
people.
engraving.
You can send it to Mikey. Blow on it.
That's going to take a little, because it's wood, fibrous. It's funny the path he takes, he chooses.
Yeah, because it's
What made my camera jump like that?
like quality point, right?
Yeah.
Quality point.
Yeah.
Alright. Wrapping up. Look at this.
That's so cool.
Bad monkey metal. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Boom. Job done.